Okay, so here's just like a quick overview of how this printable works. This printable includes a space like where you can write your name at the top or whoever's name that you're tracking. Maybe you're tracking somebody else's meals. So I'm just going to go ahead and write my name. Okay, and then you can write the date. Today is September 23rd. And then if I'm going to be tracking for several days in advance, I can also write September 24th and September 25th. So this is great because then I could do 3 days ahead of time. So this also includes 3 sections for tracking meals as well. So I can plan my meals ahead of time in these spaces here, or I can just go ahead and track what I ate. So for example, I can do my meal plan right here if I want. I could do oatmeal with berries. Then for a snack, I could do grapes and nuts. Then for lunch, I could do a cucumber salad with beans. And then maybe for dinner, I could do rice with beans and broccoli. Okay, so if I was going to track this day of meals here, what I can do is I can track it ahead of time if I want to ensure that I'm getting enough, or I can track it as I go to see how I'm doing throughout the day. So for example, for breakfast, if I have oatmeal and berries, that is 1 serving of whole grains and 1 serving of berries. Then for snack, I have 1 serving, we'll call it 2 servings of fruits and 1 serving of nuts. Then for lunch, if I have a cucumber salad with beans in it, then I'll probably put 2 to 3 vegetables in there. I'll have maybe 2 servings of leafy greens, maybe 2 servings of legumes. And then for dinner, if I was going to have rice, beans, and broccoli, that would be rice would be maybe 2 servings of whole grains, then beans, another serving of beans. Broccoli would be my cruciferous vegetables. So look how quickly I'm able to add up my daily dozen for the day. That was even planning ahead of time. I can see where I'm still missing out on some of the daily dozen recommendations. I've shaded these boxes here to give you an idea of the daily dozen recommendations here, so you can get an idea. For example, if I was just to follow this meal plan, I would be short 1 serving of fruit, so I know maybe for dessert I can have a banana. And then that would help me check off the box for fruit. And then for flax seeds, oh, look it, I don't have flax seeds, so maybe I can go ahead and add that to my oatmeal so that I can get my flax seeds. And then for herbs and spices, I could add that to dinner. That's basically turmeric, but also other herbs and spices as well. Okay, so just by following this little simple meal plan that I wrote in just a minute, I know if I'm going to be getting my daily dozen for the day. And then as I go through my day, I can check off for water. So this water measures in 16 ounces. So Dr. Greger recommends 8 cups of water, which is 2 cups, 2 cups, 2 cups, and 2 cups. And then if I eat more than the daily dozen recommendations, for example, like vegetables, there's still room to add check boxes for more. And then if I have leftovers, say I have rice still left over, and maybe I still have oatmeal left over, then what I can do is I can go ahead and assign those to the next day. And that will help me make sure that I don't have any spoiled food and that I can use up all those leftovers. So check it out. Visit my website at dailyfoods.com if you want to download a free copy of this Daily Dozen tracker. And subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. I hope you have a great day. Bye!